हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू डेटा एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। आप एज कहीं पे डेटा एनालिस्ट वर्क कर रहे हैं, सीनियर डेटा एनालिस्ट वर्क कर रहे हैं या लुकिंग टू स्विच अ जॉब और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, देन दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट वॉच फॉर यू। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज एंड सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। और अगर आपके पास पाइथन, सीक्वल, पावर बीआई, टैबल्यू या किसी अदर डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन टूल या डेटा एनालिसिस टूल का एक्सपीरियंस है, देन दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वॉचिंग। And the jobs I've collected in today's video are mix up jobs of experienced and fresher. तो अगर एक्सपीरियंस जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं या फ्रेशर के लिए जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो पूरा देखिएगा। वीडियो आगे बढ़े उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। माई नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल। एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। So in future, if you do not want to lose out a single job opportunity related to domain like business analytics, data science, Power BI developer, or Python developer role, सब्सक्राइब दिस यूट्यूब चैनल राइट अवे, फॉलो माई इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माई फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी एक डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहां पे आपको डेली बेसिस पे मिलते हैं डोमेन से रिलेटेड जॉब्स अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। अगर आप डेली बेसिस पे जॉब नोटिफिकेशन पाना चाहते हैं देन फॉलो माई इंस्टाग्राम पेज। अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। और अगर आप मुझसे कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, कोई असिस्टेंट चाहते हैं, मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स के लिंक्स भी अवेलेबल हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो डू चेक दैट। और अगर इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड आपको कोई फीडबैक है, सजेशन है, तो आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं या फिर कमेंट में भी अपना फीडबैक मेंशन कर सकते हैं। बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट। अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे या रेगुलरली जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें इन डोमेन्स रिलेटेड, देन डू प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर इट विद योर नीडी फ्रेंड्स। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं और किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं। लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन।
आगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ डेटा एनालिस्ट। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहाँ पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स रिलेटेड टू डेटा एनालिटिक्स, डेटा साइंस, मशीन लर्निंग, पाइथन और सीक्वल डेवलपर रोल के लिए। तो अगर आप चाहते हैं आप डेली बेसिस पे कोई भी जॉब अपडेट मिस ना करें देन डू फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज निंजा कार्ड, हायरिंग फॉर डेटा एनालिस्ट, एक्सपीरियंस 1 year, जॉब लोकेशंस इन बैंगलोर, salary, competitive education, bachelor's degree in stats, economics or related analytical field. About the role, a strong interest in data analytics and a passion for learning new skills, basic knowledge of SQL and Excel, good understanding of stats and data visualization, a problem solving mindset and a keen attention to detail, a good communication and in presentation skills. Required skills: 1+ years of experience working with SQL. You should also know a little about Excel involving various functions. Prior experience with visualization tools such as Power BI, Tableau, and ETL process would be a strong advantage. You also need to able to build a strong relationship that enable robust debate and survive periodic disagreements regarding priorities. Ability to communicate effectively with technical and non-technical audience, a strong acumen in terms of logical thinking and problem solving. So these are some roles and responsibilities and required skills for the job role. And if you're interested with the roles and responsibilities, technical skills and the job location, you can click on this link that is available in the description box. Let's move to the second job. Company name is BlackRock, hiring for data analyst, experience 1 to 2 years. Job locations in Gurgaon, salary 4 to 8 lakhs per annum, estimated. Education bachelor's, master's degree, 1 to 2 years of work experience in data analytics and insights. Roles and responsibilities: partner with the global AI team in implementing key metrics that measure talent and HR processes and initiatives. Link and analyze large datasets to finances to team member queries across multiple datasets to talent management, diversity, recruiting, compensation. Craft and develop reports and presentations to inform decisions made by HR, client, and business leaders. Develop standard reports for ongoing needs. Document metric definition and data sources for team members, managers, and the broader HR community. So in this role, you need to partner with the HR team and provide the details and insights as required. And if I talk about technical skills, experience in data consolidation and crafting detailed reports and dashboards in Excel. Excellent analytical skills, ability to analyze large data sets, detect and correct errors, strong desire to investigate data and find patterns, strong problem solving skills, including the ability to effectively address any issue in collaboration with others as appropriate, strong command over English language, both verbal and written, experience with VBA, R, and or other scripting languages would be a plus. And how to apply? You can click on this link to apply for the job post. Third company in the list is Discover Dollar, hiring for data analyst intern. This company is basically a financial startup. Hiring for data analyst intern, experienced fresher, job locations in Bangalore. Salary would be 20,000 per month. Education minimum BE, BTech, ME, MTech. About the role, what you need to work on data wrangling and data preparation, process, cleanse, and verify the integrity of data users for analysis, perform ad hoc analysis and presenting results clearly, develop custom data models and algorithms to drive solutions for the business problem, particularly in the area of retail revenue leakage capture, build insightful dashboards to visualization data, provide actionable insights by churning large volume of data sets by using efficient queries. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a data analyst intern over here. And if I'll talk about required skills, you must have knowledge of Python, strong proficiency in Python, SQL, Tableau, and other automated tools for data analytics. Further, machine learning, OOPS concept, exposure to BI tools like Power BI, Tableau. There are few things they have mentioned to remember. The work location is in Bangalore. Remote work is not offered. The stipend per month would be 20,000, subject to 10% TDS, and the internship duration would be 6 months. And if you're okay with all the terms and condition required skills and about the role, you can click on this link that is available in the description box to apply. Fourth company in the list is Reliance Games, hiring for data analyst intern, experienced fresher. Job locations in Pune. Education must have education qualification like BE or statistics background, and salary would be cooperative. What do you need to do as a data analyst over here? Develop hypotheses and test them by analyzing game data to draw insights and decision making. Create models and use stats analysis to better understand and predict user behavior. Work closely with product managers to identify key questions and reports findings. Assist in developing of tools and systems that make automate data analysis. Work with third-party tools and identify new ones which can best help meet the analytics required by the company, and create MIS reports on daily, weekly, monthly basis and present the same to the key stakeholders. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a data analyst intern over here. And if I'll talk about technical skills this company is looking for, must have education qualification like BE or statistical background. Candidate must have experience in analytics function or good analytical skills, strong database knowledge for MySQL, Oracle, MS SQL, SQL Server, experience of developing dashboards in Excel or Tableau, knowledge of core data science components like stats, structured and unstructured, basic knowledge in Python or R is required. And if you're okay with job post roles and responsibilities, and if you have technical skills as mentioned by the company, you can apply for the job post by sharing your email on jobs@reliancegames.com, and you should also ensure that you are writing the position name in the subject line while sending the email. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. Let's move to the fifth job. Company name is EY, hiring for associate data analyst, experience 1 to 2 years. Job location is in Gurgaon. Education minimum BE, BTech, ME or MTech, and salary would be negotiable. Roles and responsibilities: learn tools, technologies, and EY databases to perform validations that support compliance monitoring. Further, to perform compliance monitoring, conduct research using systematic and intuitive secondary research tools. As the reviews are concluded, ensure timely transmittal of review outcomes to the PPEDs. Further, complete all assignment projects in line with the standard operating procedures and stipulated timelines. And as you grow in the process, take initiatives to bring in the process efficiencies. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if I'll talk about technical skills, you should have 1 year of experience in research, compliance process, data analysis and reporting, a strong logical and reasoning skill, experience with applications or programs like MS Excel, MS Form, and SharePoint, good interpersonal skills and decision-making capability, knowledge of Python and SQL will be an added advantage, experience of working in a fast-moving, client-driven environment. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post, and you can click on this link to apply for this job post. And the link would be available in the description box. Sixth company in the list is Grant Thornton, hiring for data analyst, experience 0 to 2 years. Job location is in Bangalore. Education bachelor's in engineering, computer science, accounting, finance, business or related field. Salary would be competitive. Roles and responsibilities: experience in the professional service industry preferred. Must possess a strong understanding of business operation and ability to align operation with business goals. Proficient experience on advanced Excel and Power BI reporting. Hands-on experience in Power BI and DAX formulas. Must have created dashboards. Excellent written and verbal communication skills and interpersonal communication skills. strong project management skills, ability to anticipate potential obstacles, take proactive steps to avoid them, and complete project accuracy and timely. Provide highest quality work product, demonstrate detail-oriented focus, excellent analytical and problem-solving abilities. And if I'll talk about technical skills, you should have advanced skills in Microsoft Outlook, Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, good knowledge in financial analytics, accounting, budgeting, variance analytics, forecast analytics, and Power BI, Power Queries, and Power Automate. That would be an added advantage. And if you're aware about Python libraries, SQL, or R language, then you are good to go with the job post. And if you're okay with the job post, roles and responsibilities, location, and technical skills, you can click on this link that is available in the description box and you can apply for the job post. Seventh company in the list is Wildland Technologies, hiring for data analysts, experience 0 to 2 years, job location is Noida, education BTech, salary would be competitive. Roles and responsibilities, this role will require you to execute analytics briefs in timely and value-adding manner. You will require good communication skills so you are able to present your findings back to the client or the wider business. A specific task this candidate will be undertaking include implementing and diagnosing event and key events, enhanced major events. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform. And if I talk about required skills, experience of dealing with large data sets, experience with R, Python or SQL, awareness of Google Cloud, AWS or Azure, awareness of data set structure and data manipulation, great analytical skills and problem solving skills, knowledge of digital marketing channels such as PPC, display advertising, SEO, email marketing, social media, and attribution. So these are some roles and responsibilities and required technical skills for the job post. And if you're okay with the job post, what you can do, you can click on this link that is available in the description box and you can apply for the job post. Ninth company in the list is TEDI, the Energy and Resource Institute, Delhi, hiring for data analyst. Experience they are looking for 2 years. Job locations in Delhi. Education bachelor's degree in BCA and specialization BTech, PE computers or BSc computers, and salary would be competitive. Roles and responsibilities: clean, transform, and analyze data from various sources to ensure accuracy and completeness. Develop insightful dashboards and reports using data visualization tool. Query, analyze, and transform complex data sets to optimize dashboards, flexibility, and performance. Conduct user research to understand user needs and preference for data visualization within the portal. Set up to date on the latest data visualization trends and technologies, and employ best practice in data storytelling to create clear, concise, and visually appealing presentation of both technical and non-technical audience. And for this job post, you need to have certain key skills. These are proven experience working with various data source and manipulation tools such as SQL or Python, proficiency in data visualization tools such as Tableau, Power BI, or similar platform, excellent communication and presentation skills with the ability to tailor content for different audiences, strong analytical and problem-solving skills, and ability to work independently and as a part of a team. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills you need to perform. And if you're looking to apply for the job post, you can click on this link that is available in the description box to apply. The final job for the day is for the company name CMAX Insights, hiring for associate data analyst, experienced fresher, job location Noida, education BTech, B Pharma, BTech Biotech or equivalent related disciplines of life sciences, and salary would be competitive. Roles and responsibilities: doing extensive and in-depth secondary research, develop a good understanding of pipeline and market molecules for therapeutic applications, perform in-depth analysis to perform the molecules and companies, perform qualitative and quantitative data analytics, able to work in team and strictly adhering to deadlines, and monitor project progress by tracking activity, resolving problems, and publishing reports. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform over here as an associate data analyst. And if I talk about key skills, excellent verbal and written communication skill, strong academic track record, and good knowledge of MS Office, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, proactiveness in taking up new challenges, ability to work on diverse technical domains related to the field of life sciences, a strong commitment to deadlines, and knowledge of Python or SQL will be an added advantage. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you're okay with job location, roles and responsibilities and key skills, what you can do, you can click on this link that is available in the description box and you can apply for the job post. So friends, these are 10 jobs for this week and I hope you like this video. Do press the like button if these jobs are helpful, and you can also share your feedback in the comment section as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of the day.